Hey guys, thanks for stopping by to see our fashion hacks. For this week's video, you will learn 5 essential tips on how to organize your closets the right way. Make sure to watch until the end, and subscribe if you haven't already for more weekly videos on life hacks. Hack number 1. I use this hack not only to maximize space, but also to keep my jeans and pants organized nicely. Fold the jeans with the back pockets facing up. Fold the remaining legs below the waistline into halves. Place the folded legs of the pants into the pants or jeans as shown. Make some minor adjustments to make it look nice and neat. Then fold the jeans or pants in half inwards. Pay close attention to this next hack. It's extremely useful when it comes to saving storage space and for traveling. Let's say you have an assortment of different clothes that you want to pair, including socks or underwear. First, place the underwear in the center of a t-shirt. Fold one side to the center. Do the same for the other side. Now place one sock around the center with its neck pointing outward. Do the same for the other side. Roll from top to bottom. Use the neck on one sock to cover the whole set. Do the same for the other side. And now your comfort set is all ready to go. Next, our favorite for pullovers or sweaters. Fold 1/3 on the side with the arm pointing outwards, as shown. Do the same on the other side. Fold the neck up to the shoulder line. Fold the body in half or in thirds. Flip one arm to the opposite side and place the remaining arm under. Do the same for the other side. This will save a lot of space in your closet. Here is a unique and fun way to organize your hoodies in your closet. Fold the body into thirds twice. Fold both arms inwards. Draw an imaginary line over the shoulders and fold both ends. Flip it over and use the hood to cover. If you have the strings, gently pull to tighten the bundle. Next up is a hack for heavy outerwear like bubble jackets or parkas, which take up a lot of your hanger space. Fold the bottom into thirds. Then fold the hood if there is one. Flip the bottom. Fold both arms inwards. Turn the bundle upside down and roll into the folded end at the bottom of the outerwear. Make some adjustments, and now you have a compact bundle of heavy outerwear. You can even use it as a pillow if you're camping. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I have 5 more handy tips to organize your closet the right way, so make sure to stay tuned. Have a beautiful day and stay safe. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe as well. We really appreciate your support.